Hey guys, Bushcraftfamily back again with another video. As you can see, we're looking at some vanilla beans to be exact, which are real nice to make vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is quite expensive if you go to the grocery store to buy it. An ounce is anywhere from $8 to $10 to $12, $14 sometimes. And that is just way too much. Now you can bake with it, you can make ice cream, there's all kinds of stuff you can make with vanilla extract. So cost effectively, it's best to make your own. And I'll show you bottling this up in just a moment. Okay guys, we are back. We're going to kind of do an unboxing. As you can see, I have these jars right here. Well, not jars, bottles. Yeah. They got the old-fashioned flip-top lids on them that seal pretty good. I think that's a good bottle to put your homemade vanilla in. It also came with a lot of other stuff. You can see the box over here. We got what looks to be funnels, different colored ones, some extra caps in case you lose these that are on the bottles. I think it comes with 8 bottles. You also get some of these that you can put in there for like olive oil and stuff, or alcohol, depends what you want to use them for. You also get labels. I think this is labels. I'm not sure what this is. There's all kinds of stuff. I think that's it. I think those are the labels. I'm not sure. There's something on the bottom too, but I'm not going to go digging into that. Let's go ahead and open these little funnels, because they're meant for, as you can see, it has the thing on it right here. They're actually meant for these bottles. Now I had already went ahead and cleaned these in the dishwasher, so don't get on to me about that stuff. Let me go ahead and open all these. Put them over here like this. Probably going to need more than 4 of them, but that's what we'll start with right now. There we go. And here is our vanilla that I've done about a year ago. I think there's like 8 beans in there. And I was thinking I was going to use the beans itself. I was going to make some sugar with it, but it'll go to waste right now since I'm on the carnivore thing. No sugar at all. So I don't think I'll be using that. But I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put a bean in each one of these if I can. We'll have to see. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. I don't know how I'm going to pour this into those little... Look at all the brown color on that. Oh man, it smells so good. Now, go ahead and see if these will fit inside there. Oh yeah, they got plenty of room in there. And this isn't necessary. This is not going to add or subtract any flavor or anything like this. It just makes them look a little bit nicer. You have a little stem of, or a bean of, I'm making a mess. Oh man, that smells so good. And I'm assuming I will make a mess, because that's what I do. Well, see, I told you. What a waste. I get to hear it now. You wasted all that. Yeah, I did. Good thing I have paper towels. Now, I better not go driving anywhere because this is alcohol. goodness. That filled up a lot faster than I thought it was. A lot faster. I almost was going to drink that. Okay, let's fill up the next one. Try not to make a mess. There we go. That's better. See, I'm getting better. Wipe the bottom of this one off. Go ahead and cap it. I don't know if you guys know how these work. But there you have a bottle. Now this thing probably cost you a good $30, $40 in the store. And it won't be as flavorful as this stuff will be. I'm still going to use these beans, I think, on the sugar, like I said. Maybe I'll get 3 out of this. I thought I could get 4. I probably could have got 4 if I didn't spill a half a bottle. Yeah, I think that's all we're getting is the 3. Let me fill this up a little bit more. Then we'll fill this one up just a tad bit more. Get all that yumminess out of there. And I overfilled this one. Dang it. Okay, we're good. Let me go ahead. Like I said, I could put the labels on this stuff, and I want to put something on there a little bit nicer than just my scribble, because my scribbles are not the best. I don't have the best handwriting in the world. Wipe the bottle off again. Well, I'll have to clean this bottle again. Yeah, I think if I didn't spill it all, I would have had enough for the 4th bottle. Ooh, boy, I'll get a good aftershave or cologne after spilling this all over my hands. There we go. And I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look good? And I didn't have to filter any of this, you know, because there are beans at the bottom of the jar. Vanilla beans. Yes, there is such a thing as, you know, the little seed part of it. I guess I think that's the bean whole self, but the very bottom of it, or the little seeds at the very bottom of it. But I think that looks really good right there. I would like to try some natural spiced kind of vanilla, but again, you have to be careful when doing spiced, using a rum or a vodka or something like that. It has to be natural flavoring, and when I mean natural, I mean like actual cinnamon or actual blueberry or whatever the flavoring is. It has to be that flavoring. It can't be this artificial stuff. It has to be the good stuff. But as you can see, this stuff looks really good. I'm not entirely sure how these labels go on or anything like that. So I don't think I'm going to be putting labels on it unless I get some white felt pin or something and have my daughter put on there vanilla 2025 or something like that. Bushcraft vanilla. There we go. I'll sell it on open market. And again, the bean is not necessary. The vanilla bean is not necessary in there, but I think it looks good. being inside the bottle there. And like I said, these here, I might still do it. You can take these and kind of dry them out for a day or two, and then you can kind of mush them into sugar, and it'll turn that sugar into vanilla sugar. Some of the best sugar you'll ever have. I mean, it's so good on toppings and things like that. You can get that good vanilla flavor off of it. But again, all I did was have a friend that sent me these Madagascar vanilla beans. It took a while for shipping to get over here, but they were in good shape and everything. Stick them in a mason jar, fill it up with some good proof alcohol. I'm a big fan of rum, especially for vanilla. You can use vodka, but I like the rum better. And again, make sure it doesn't have any artificial flavor, just alcohol. And you can make your own vanilla that's better than the stuff you're going to get in the store. Majority of it's, imitation. Other than an imitation, it's very expensive. For an ounce is like $8, $9, $10. So you can imagine, I think these are 12-ounce bottles. Yeah, that's like $100 right there. And with the beans were free, other than shipping. I sent him money for the shipping because I knew it was going to be expensive. You can find the beans for a packet of 8, I think, on Amazon for like $12, $14, which is the price of one little ounce jar of pure vanilla. You can't beat it. And this stuff is so much better than you'll get in the store. Until next time, God bless.